Quick tutorial about how to start using Dall-E on our app called AI Art Expert. The first thing you need to do is to click on Art Generators. There you can find the Dall-E button. You can either click on the blank space to learn everything about Dall-E, or you can just click on the Dall-E button to visit the Dall-E site, where you need to create an account if you are opening it for the first time. To open the account, you need to click on Google Account and choose your email ID. After that, the Dall-E would take your name from your email ID, but you will still need to verify your phone number so that you don't create multiple accounts. Dall-E offers 50 credits and each image costs around 5. So Dall-E would let you create 10 images for free. After you have verified your phone number, you need to accept that terms and conditions. And from now on, whenever you would click the Dall-E button on our app, it would take you straight to the generation page here. If you have not downloaded our app, please check the description and download our app from there.